In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a lead gen page on LinkedIn. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know from scratch so that you can get going right away with it. But make sure you watch the video the whole way through to ensure you get all the knowledge that you need and so that you have a good understanding of how it works and don't mess anything up. So let's get right into it. Now, first of all, I'm here on my LinkedIn account and I can't actually create a lead gen page directly on my LinkedIn account. I need to do it from a company page. So to do that, I'm going to create a company page, and what we have to do is go up to the top right here, go to For Business, and then scroll down. You see there's a little thing here that says Create a Company Page. So I'm going to click on that now. So it's going to ask what kind of page I want to create. Now you can put whatever you want to do. I'm just going to do a company, and I'm just going to call this Easy Earl. Now you can call this whatever you'd like to call it. Make it relevant to your company. Now, I'm just going to agree here. I'm going to create page. Oh, I need to put the industry in. Marketing. Let's say. Organization size 0 to 1. Organization type. Privately held. Put that. Okay, so here we are in my freshly created LinkedIn page. So next that we need to do once we're in here is we need to go over to where it says analytics, or alternatively over here there's a little thing that says add lead gen form here under this analytics section. I'm going to go to analytics and then I'm going to go to the lead section here. Now it's going to say add lead gen form, so I'm going to click that. So first of all we have to select this, turn this on here. And this basically means that we're agreeing to LinkedIn's lead or LinkedIn pages term basically. So first of all, we need to choose our call to action. So contact sales, request free demo, start free trial, get started. Pick whichever one you like, which one is relevant to you. In here, you need to add a privacy policy. So if you have a website, I'd recommend just linking the one that you have on there into here. So the next thing we need to add is the headline. So obviously your headline needs to kind of grab people's attention, tell them what you do. So generate extra 30% with our service. Obviously you need to customize that to your own liking. Now the body text or the body copy, this will let people know what they're actually filling in the form for, what you're going to provide to them when they fill in the form. So I'm going to put sign up to get a free demo call about our software. Obviously change this up for whatever you need to, your requirements. Then I can hit save. Now for me, I don't have a privacy policy, so I can't put that in there. Okay, so I've now saved it and I'm going to go over here to this lead gen form section. And now we can see exactly what this looks like. We can go down here to manage languages. So if you want to put other people's languages in here, you can click add a language and you can add that in there. There's a ton of other features in here. So we've got page info. Obviously you want to change this for your page. Buttons. Overview. So I'd recommend filling in all the overview place, giving as much information. Workplace. Add all that in. Commitments. And again, locations. It's good to put locations in case people want to see you in person. But this is how you basically change the lead gen form right there. So now I don't want to post. If I go onto my page, then I should see the lead gen form right here. Generate an extra 30% with our service. And when I click this, it's going to contact sales. So as you can see, this is what people will see when they try to sign up to your form. They'll be asked to put their email in. It will ask for your first and last name, the job title and the company you work for, and then it's going to be a little consent form here and you'll submit it, and then the information will get sent straight to you. So that's basically how you do it. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.